Yildiz Sethi. I am the Vedic astrologer on this course. I'm offering you here a 12-week course on Vedic astrology for people who want to do this as a hobby, as an interest, but also people who want to do a serious study of Vedic astrology and understand what it means for them and perhaps go further with it. It's entirely up to you how you use the course. So what is Vedic astrology? It's a spiritual science, a practical science. It's meant to help us as individuals navigate our lives in a practical way in many different areas of life. So a Vedic astrology chart is just a snapshot of the planets around the moment of your birth and place of your birth, which show a lot about how or why you're here in this life. It shows a lot about your personality, your appearance, your life purpose, your relationships, your career, your passions, your challenges. It also shows all the different phases of life that you're going to be going through and all the events of life that are set to come in. But it also shows you where you've got free will, because there is a lot of free will within that as well. So Vedic astrology is really about karma, action, and how we live it and how we create it constantly on our soul journey towards enlightenment. So a Vedic astrology chart will show you a lot of information just from that original snapshot. Now, I have been a Vedic astrologer now for a long time, over 20 years, and I have done thousands of readings. And not only that, I've also followed many of those people over many, many years and seen how the predictions played out and what actually happened in all of those situations, or many of those situations. So this 12-week course I'm offering is giving you a really great start in learning about Vedic astrology, because as you can imagine, it's a deep, deep study. It's a deep research. It's a deep science. So probably, 12 weeks is not a great length of time, but it's certainly a huge amount of information that's gone into this 12-week course, which includes a lot of my experience, all those many years of learning, studying, practicing, observing the results of what, a particular combination create. And I've put a huge amount of this into this 12-week course. That means that in the 12-week course, it's a comprehensive course. It's a course that will actually show lots and lots of things going on in your life. It also shows you what you can do with it. So look through the website. I have a whole section on articles on particular areas that you can freely download. I have 3 books as well, which you can have a look at. So yes, lots of things to look at on this site. Please browse through, contact me if you have any questions, and enjoy.